Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. In today's deep dive, we unpack everything we know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, covering specs, pricing teasers, rumored release windows, and insider leaks that bring clarity to the speculation. Buckle up as we dissect what makes this ultralight aerial powerhouse one of the most anticipated cinematic drone upgrades of 2025. 1-inch sensor and high frame rate. Capture-leaked renders and packaging visuals strongly suggest the Mini 5 Pro will finally leave the 1.3-inch sensor behind in favor of a full-size 1-inch imaging sensor. A category-defining upgrade for a drone this compact, potentially delivering richer dynamic range and clearer low-light performance, expected to support 4K video at up to 120 FPS, giving creators smooth, slow-motion capability and high-speed action capture beyond that. Whisper-quiet, lossless zoom functionality appears integrated, allowing a simulated 48mm medium telephoto zoom, akin to recent DJI Pocket models, giving users more reach without degrading quality, weight, and portability, staying travel-friendly leaks. Hint at the drone preserving the Mini series' signature lightweight DNA. A visible C0 regulatory class label has been spotted, signaling DJI's ambition to keep it under the 249-gram threshold, crucial in many countries to avoid extra drone registration or restrictions. This combination of pro-level imaging and regulation-friendly weight boosts its appeal as a travel companion drone. LiDAR, 360-degree obstacle avoidance and tracking. One of the most exciting additions is the rumored integration of dual forward-facing LiDAR sensors, a first for the Mini lineup paired with omnidirectional visual or infrared sensors. This means DJI is aiming for 360-degree obstacle sensing, even in dim light, and improved safety in complex flight environments. This safety duo also enhances active track, making it more reliable for tracking high-velocity movements, like running, cycling, or dynamic aerial workflows in tighter spaces, flight time, and battery. Options battery life seems to sneak in a solid jump. While previous leaks suggested 36 minutes with the standard battery, and possibly closer to 45-50 minutes using plus batteries, recent packaging imagery takes it further. A 52 mins X3 indicator suggests 3 batteries bundled in a Fly More Plus kit, each promising extended endurance under ideal test conditions. These numbers are a meaningful leap for long-range shoots or long days of content capture, offering unprecedented longevity in a sub-249G drone. RC2 controller and controller-free option. One of the packaging visuals clearly shows a DJI RC2 smart controller with built-in display bundled with the Mini 5 Pro. Remarkably, the so-called Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2 box art points toward IO, a premium all-in-one setup. This removes the hassle of phone tethering, improves outdoor visibility, and speeds up pre-flight prep, especially handy in bright sunlight or fast-paced shooting scenarios. Additionally, rumors mention a secret side button on the drone's frame, presumably for quick one-touch launch or selfie capture. Similar to what we've seen in DJI Flip or Neo models, transmission and range connectivity is expected to get serious. Expect OcuSync 404 or higher, providing FHD live streaming up to 20 kilometers, perfect for videographers or FPV-style operators who demand stable, long-distance control pricing. Rumors and accessory costs pricing leaks are varied, though offer a helpful roadmap. A base model is rumored to land around US $899-999, while a Fly More combo with extra accessories or RC2 could range from $1,199-1,499, a 15-30% bump over the Mini 4 Pro, but justified by considerable hardware upgrades. However, alternative sources suggest more aggressive pricing, as low as $749-799 for the standard kit, or $999-1,999 for the bundled combo. The variants may reflect regional pricing differences or SKU tiers. Accessory-wise, leaks from August indicate competitive pricing. Standard intelligent flight battery, 69 battery, plus 99 charging hub, 49 N filter set, 55 propeller set, 19 prop guard, with quick release, 69 DJI Care, refresh, 79. These figures suggest DJI is sweetening the deal on essentials like batteries, while reserving premium pricing for accessories that improve usability and safety. Release date and launch. Window launch timing is murky, but trending toward September 2025. Multiple leaks now point to a mid to late September release, possibly with teaser activity as early as around the 9th. Earlier rumors of an early August release now seem outdated or false, with sources like TechRadar calling them unlikely. So the general consensus? September is the new expected month. Why the Mini 5 Pro is a standout option: pro-grade imaging in a lightweight form factor. 1-inch sensor, 4K, 120 FPS, lossless zoom, supercharged safety and tracking with LiDAR and omnidirectional sensors. Longer flight hours with up to 52-minute runtime, easy use out of the box. With bundled RC2 controller affordability that scales via aggressive battery or accessory pricing. Regulation-friendly build, staying under 249 degrees opens fly anywhere access. TechRadar drone reviews highlight that, despite competition like the Insta360, Anti-Gravity A1, the Mini 5 Pro's practicality, weight advantage, and user-centric features make it the most balanced pick for content creators and drone travelers. Leak sources and what's still unknown. While we've pieced together specs, runtime, controller bundles, and likely release, much remains unconfirmed, especially in terms of official weight confirmation, global availability, exact flight distance, regional price tiers, and features like wind resistance. As always, wait for the official DJI release to know the full truth.